Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to see who viewed your profile on TikTok application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now first of all, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow this process. Now first, let me remind you that in case if you haven't turned on your profile view history on TikTok application, so you'll not be able to see who viewed your profile on TikTok. Now in case if you don't know how to turn on your profile view history on TikTok, you can always check out my videos. I will leave the link on the description box as well. Now in order to check who viewed your profile, what you have to do is open the TikTok application. Now on the home page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile, which is on the lower right corner, right in the bottom. So next you will land inside the profile page. Now on this particular page, right on top there you can see a username, and just next to it you can see an eye icon. Just tap on it. Now here, as you can see that my profile view history is turned on, but unfortunately there has been no viewer who has viewed my profile in last 30 days. Now in your case, if somebody has viewed your profile, what happened is that right here you'll have a list of names who has viewed your profile in last 30 days. Now this is how you can see who viewed your profile on TikTok application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.